Title: The Boring Path to Stock Market Success. Arun, a young man, lived in busy Mumbai with big dreams as vast as Arabian Sea. He was attracted about noisy stock market, envisioning it as his ticket to financial freedom and more time with his loved ones. Arun, like many, initially fell prey to the excitement of trading. Each day brought a rollercoaster of emotions as he chased quick gains and suffered devastating losses. His impulsive decisions left him drained, both financially and emotionally. It seemed success in the stock market was an elusive dream. One day, exhausted and disheartened, Arun met with a renowned trading expert, Ujjwal Jaitwal, well known for his chartless trading method. Ujjwal introduced him to the concept of the boring path to stock market success. Skeptical yet desperate, he tried to understand the chartless positional trading methodology. He got a fair understanding about Ujjwal's chartless method. To succeed in stock trading, one must follow methodology which is highly boring and not so attractive. Instead of chasing thrills, one should adopt a methodical and disciplined approach, akin to an automated trading machine, ATM. This chartless positional trading methodology would remove the impulse to make rash decisions and pave the way for consistent gains. Arun was still having doubts. How could something so boring lead to success in such a dynamic market? But as he continued to apply the chartless method, the results began to show up. He realized that successful trading wasn't about excitement, it was about discipline. Arun began on a journey to follow chartless trading method, focusing on a set of predefined rules and sticking to them religiously. He automated his trading process, allowing the machine to execute transactions based on carefully crafted daily action plan, provided by his mentor, Ujjwal Jaitwal. As weeks turned into months, Arun's disciplined approach began to bear fruit. His trading account saw steady growth, free from the wild swings of emotion-driven decisions. He was no longer a slave to the market but a master of his own destiny. Arun's success did not go unnoticed. Friends and colleagues wondered at his newfound peace and financial stability. They reached to him to learn his secret, expecting some complex algorithm or insider knowledge. But Arun simply smiled and referred them to his trading mentor, Ujjwal Jaitwal. With each passing day, Arun found himself spending less time glued to the screen and more time with his family. He no longer felt the urge to constantly check the market or make impulsive decisions. Instead, he enjoyed the simple pleasures of life, like strolling along Marine Drive with his loved ones or having pani puri at his favorite joint. As he watched the sunset over the Arabian Sea, he knew that the greatest riches were not found in the persistent chasing of wealth but in the moments spent with those we hold dear. If you like Arun's story and want to achieve the similar trading freedom, then please hit the like button and comment as yes, I want. Thank you for your time and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more innovative content.